Now we are going to open them and see what we got. So let me start with the one in the middle here. And let's see what we got. Get rid of paper. So first thing in this box is this My Melanie tissue box. And this is how it looks like. Really cute. Have like bows and ribbons and stuff. Next item are a giant bunny cushion, and I think like a huggable cushion. So I'm gonna try to open the package and show you guys. This is, and it's like really large huggable cushion, and in black colors and some hearts. So she's really cute. Moving on next, I got this round strawberry bird, and it also had a blueberry one too. So I got the set, the blueberry and the strawberry. Next item is the super adorable Pokemon plushie, and this is the Bulbasaur, like kind of like a Zoom one because it's like stackable plushie. Next item are these white Ferris plushie from the ping pong ball drop machine, so you guys can see. I'm not gonna open this one. This is probably really big. Moving on, next is the summer ice cream dessert. It was like a tea party Pikachu. These are super cute, super nice. Everybody wants to get one of these when you're playing the online playing game. So I really like the little detail on the ice cream. Let's see how nice it was made. Super awesome. Next item is this cute plushie. I don't know what is that called, but it is so cute and has a clover leaf. If you know what is this thing called, please leave a comment down below. Or I could not even pronounce it right. Next item are the sushi plushie, and it's like a tuna sushi plushie. Next, this giant cat plushie. It's so soft, and you can tell, and it's really huge. Really likes it. Next item are this giant pom pom pudding plushie. It's very soft and super adorable. And then the last item in this box is the Rilakkuma in a Japanese rope Rilakkuma. This is so cute, isn't it? Rilakkuma is always my favorite, so I always want to get one of the Rilakkuma when they have the new one come out. So this is the one box, and I'm going to try to moving along to the next box. So let me put all these plushies back in there. I love this Pikachu. Love all the Pikachu stuff. So let me move it on to the next box. The next box, I believe, is also all plushie because it's really big boxes. So now this is the crazy stuff. So you want to see how many these plushie that I got, the teacup plushie. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in this box. So I got 5 of these green teacup plushie. I actually have 1 previously, so I have 6 total. Now I have 5 in this box. Crazy, right? Yep. So I might give away as a free giveaway. If I have 50 subscribers, I'm probably going to give these away as a free gift. So make sure to subscribe my channel and all of that. So, and another plushie is the this is the Stitch in the pirate costume, I think. You can't really see it right now. This hat looks like also like a graduation hat, but it's the pirate, I believe it's a pirate Stitch. Next is the Gutama egg sushi plushie. So this is one of the duplicate that I have. So I will sell this one on eBay. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check on my eBay account, and I will leave a description box down below so you can check it out. Next item, another sushi, red sushi plushie. Same, it's just same exact sushi plush. So okay, so now, oh sorry guys, my camera just fell. So now let's go to the last box. Oh, this box is heavy, but it's a little bit smaller. So let's see what we got in this box. Ah, guys, sorry. There's so many stuff here, and I don't know, my room is cluttered with this. So remove all these paper here. Ah, so many paper. So this box is some more item, but it's some more small plushie and stuff like that. So first, the plush is the Sanrio collaboration with the Karamasu plushie, and this is the Tuxedo Sam. And moving along, more of the really cute Pokemon plushie. These are the like kind of like the Zoom kind of plushie. So I got these, and these are the Pikachu's dessert plushie. So this one is like an ice cream, and this one is actually really hard to win, but I'm glad I got one at least. And then they have this one. This one looks like a, excuse me, I'm gonna eat your nose. This one looks like I think crepes. It has Pikachu on top. And then I also have 3 of the ice cream Pikachus. Ice cream sandwich Pikachu plush. These are so adorable. Like, you have no idea. I'm so in love with these dessert Pikachus. And then going next is more small plushie, and these are the cats, like a sushi cats, and this one's like an egg, and this one's a shrimp, and they're so adorable. Look at that, right? Super adorable plushies. I love plushies, but there's so many. And then next are these Minion keychain or something, but they look like a little tail, like a little fox tail, and then they have like little stripe colors in it. So I thought they maybe would be bigger, but they're actually kind of small compared to my my imaginations. But they're so cute though. They're still very cute, but they're just small. And then next item here, I got these little goldfish keychain plushie. So I have a orange one with the white color, orange spot with white color, and this one's red with the white, and this is just another red, and then also a black one. So I actually have the whole full set of these goldfish plushie. They're just so cute, and so I was getting all of that. And then these, and then I have also had these Snoopy stool, like little picnic stool. So I got 2 red color ones. They're a little heavy, so I don't know how it when I open them. And then I also get a yellow one, and a black one. So I think these will be handful when you go to, like, it'll be useful and handy when you go to picnic and stuff like that, or beach. And then I also got these Relakuma backpack, or passenger bag. And then moving along, I got a Rapunzel figurine from Q-Poxy. So these are really, really cute, and they're not the easiest thing to win, but you can also buy them on eBay if you don't want to spend too much money, if you're not sure how you can win them. So they are a little bit hard to win, but they, you know, it's fun to get one of those. And then the next 3 items are the set of the Petite Q-Poxy figurines. So I have Ariel, Pocahontas, and Cinderella. So this is like a little set. And then a small Forest Friend plushie. So next is the, what's that called? Oh yeah, Kiki delivery service. This is the cat in there from Ghibli. And then more items here are these Sanrio backpack pouches. So I have my Melanie. I don't think you can see her right now because her face is covered by the tag. My Melanie. This is actually Little Twin Stars Kiki, and this is Lala. So it's a set. And then this one is this is from the 3 Dream Brothers little pouches, backpack pouches. And there's more, guys. So, and then I got this little jewelry box. This is I believe this is the Disney, and Disney was like Beauty and the Beast, and this is come with the tea and the teapot, Miss Pot, and Chips, which is the little teacup. So, and that's not all yet. So there's more. I told you guys this is a really huge box. So, and another item that I got is a Pikachu's plastic cup, and it's full of little Pikachus on it. And more items. A little umbrella. And oh, more stuff here, guys. A little dog plushie on the keychain. And my favorite character, Gutatama, little summer keychain plushie. And what else is there? Oh, and this one is this is like I'm not gonna open it, I hope you guys can see it. It's a mosquito thing for, I don't know, it's like a pot, but it put like these burning sensors into it, so to get rid of mosquito or something. Yeah, so it looks like a pig shape. This is kind of cute, but I don't think I could use it right now. And then